Okay, here's all the pieces you'll need to make a cold air intake for your Harbor Freight. Got a 1/2 inch NPT. This is 2-inch pipe, I think. Got an elbow. Got the original air filter that went on right here. Took that off. 22 millimeter. Don't need that. No more. And then I've got this air filter. That was 39 millimeters inside diameter off of eBay or Amazon. Then I got this 1-inch, or I'm sorry, I got this 1/2 inch inside thread NPT to a 1-inch outside thread. And then I just taped it up a little bit and I screwed on this air filter, clamped it on right there. And then I've got this coffee can that I put this hole in, 1/2 inch. I put it off center. You can see there the line in the middle. I put it off to the right because this filter's canted a little bit and give me some wiggle room. Then I got this. So what I'm going to do is take my coffee can and I'm going to, oh, and then I got one of these at the store, 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch, this threads into this. So a 1/2 inch inside thread. I don't know what you call this. Reducer. Anyways, I got that. Cut it. Made a jam nut out of it because I couldn't find a jam nut at the store. Anyways, so the idea is I'll put this jam nut onto here. Okay, I got my jam nut on there. So, put a little tape here, a little Teflon. Okay, I got the Teflon on by putting it on this first, and then I just very gently screwed this in. I can take this, put it on this. It's kind of going to be a hold the air filter, tighten it right here. Okay, now I'm just going to twist it this way. Bam! And this, put a little Teflon on that. I'll just screw it into here. So, I'll drill some holes in the bottom. And the reason I went with metal right here is to act as kind of a heat sink, as well as get the filter further away from this gets kind of hot. Boom. Then I can reusable foam filter. I can wash it. Should add about 100 horsepower. And that's how you go from this filter to this. I also drilled some holes here in the bottom. And 2 little holes right there. Or I mean, there and there.